This is an assa twin combi. It's not the black belt one or the black whatever it's ranked. This one only has 2 finger pins, and at least one of the pin stacks is mastered. But you know, like the other twin combis, it doesn't isolate. It is you know, 6 barrel spools, the 2 finger pins. So two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I can get the pick in there. And then, okay, so yeah, I set the top pins pretty quickly, because I find that using light tension with barrel spools actually works better, because I pushed everything up, got it set. I got a little movement out of the core, and then I had to go in and reset the back finger pin, which had to be pushed away, and then this first finger pin just needed to stay straight out and then just be lifted a little bit. But that is the possibly brown belt assa twin combi.